Guys, today we talk about how can you enable the reminder on your My app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. But so then all you have to do, you just click here on settings here. Then you come to next here. It's going to take you to enter with you. When you click here on notifications, then come to this list here, come here to the reminder, just click in this sign. That like you see here, this color show for us, that's been the reminder enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.